Hello everyone, I will show you a quick way to make water in Unreal Engine 5. And so we have a new level, let's add light to our scene. That would do it quickly. Open the tab, window, then Env Light Mixer, and press all the buttons. Great. Now let's create a landscape. Choose landscape mode. Section size, let's set 31x31. Check that the Enable Edit Layers checkbox is checked. Click Create. Next, we need to activate the 2 built-in plugins in Unreal Engine 5. Open the Edit tab, Plugins. In the search, we write Land. Activate 2 plugins, Landmass and Water. Now, that the plugins would work, we need to restart Unreal Engine 5. By the way, if you do not have a very powerful computer, I recommend that you limit FPS. To do this, write the command tmmax FPS. Let's create our water. Go to All Classes and look for Water Body Ocean. Let's shrink our island a little bit. Great, now you know how to make water in Unreal Engine 5. If this video tutorial was useful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.